Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see favorite videos on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your TikTok and update your TikTok application. And once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile. You simply need to add some videos in your favorites. So let me add this video in favorites and add this video in favorites. And once I add it, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. And once you click on that, you simply need to click on the third icon, and here you can see all your favorite videos. Currently it is on the top with the edit profile, but now on the new version of TikTok it is shown here. So this is the process by which you can see favorite videos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.